AppleWorks was discontinued years ago. If you have old CWK documents, modern Pages or Word won't open them. You need a specific legacy converter. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert them. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for CWK files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. The CWK extension has been registered globally as a member of the document file group. The entire archive is compiled under the AppleWorks Document designation. A CWK file is a document created by AppleWorks, formerly ClarisWorks, an integrated office suite developed by Apple. It can contain text, spreadsheets, drawings, and paintings within a single document. AppleWorks was popular for its ease of use and versatility, especially in educational settings. The CWK format is a proprietary format designed to store various types of data within a single file. It supports different data types, including formatted text, numerical data, vector graphics, and raster images. Converting CWK files to more modern formats often requires specialized conversion tools. For full compatibility with CWK, use the proprietary AppleWorks developed by Apple. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows may preview the page, but complete editing relies on compatible document software. First, use ClarisWorks/ AppleWorks. Open the file using ClarisWorks or AppleWorks, as this is the required application for the older format. Next, use Alternative Viewer. If the program is unavailable, use LibreOffice or OpenOffice to attempt to open the file. Finally, convert to doc PDF. Use an online conversion service or a utility tool to convert the file to a universal format like .doc or a PDF. Thank you so much for your time. Your like and subscription make a real difference to the channel. Your file corruption should be history.